just come all the way from Delhi, Kolkata, then to Agartala, and it has just landed. This is a second cargo flight coming to Agartala Airport. Cargo flight is operated by Air India's subsidiary Alliance Air, and it came from Delhi and has stopped a stopover at Kolkata to Agartala, then it will go to Guwahati, then to Dibrugarh, delivering all the essential items and relief materials.